Collaboration is the first step of innovation and success. When we work together, we integrate various perspectives, skills, and opinions. This allows us to create more efficient and sustainable solutions. And that is why, when the Philippines and Indonesian branches of DB Schenker merged, we combined not just footprint and expertise, we united towards a stronger workforce. With decades of industry experience, the union of these two branches brings together almost 25,000 islands, two emerging markets from Asia, a colorful culture, a diverse population, and two dedicated and driven teams of DB Schenker. We will continue our journeys that began in 2007 for the Philippines and in 1976 for Indonesia. Now in 2023, we are DB Schenker Philippines Indonesia cluster. We plan for the future by being on top of the market movement. We introduce harmony into your supply chain through efficiencies and industry expertise. We uphold integrity through a fully transparent and compliant movement of your goods, regardless of the industry. We take pride in our discipline as your entrusted partner. We go beyond traditional shipping and handling. We create solutions that extend across borders, from fast delivery to a full supply chain management, all while adopting green practices. And we do it together as a cluster. In a more connected world, cross-cultural collaboration unveils new insights and enriches the way we work. When we stand hand in hand, together we can take a stand. That is the true meaning of collaboration. DB Schenker, unleashing logistics for a future in motion.